Good morning, good afternoon, or maybe good evening, folks. Here we are, Duncan, BC, just finishing up some odds and ends on this SIP panel build. Installed some stairs today. Electricians are doing some things. We got lists everywhere. It means things are getting close to finished for me anyways. Let's talk electrical. People always have questions about the electrical world and SIP panels. How does it work? I don't get it. Okay, all SIP panel walls come pre-drilled with chases at plug height and at switch height. Also vertical chases every 4 feet. Vertical. Vertical. So, if you want power over here, and it's coming up through the floor over here, how do you do it? Okay, you come up, into the wall, into the horizontal chase that's already drilled out in your panel. You have to drill out your end wall studs like this one is. Feed your line through. Feed it, 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 feed it through. Oh, you want to switch directions and go down to the plug? Okay. Hole saw this baby out right here. Keep it to the side. We'll talk about that in a minute. Change directions. Down to your plug. Boom. Power down there. Let's go back to the hole sawed out bit. Hole saw this out, tack it to the side, because what you're going to do after the fact, put some spray foam in here, put that baby back in, some SIP panel tape over top, and it's like it never existed. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, have a good day, folks. Merry Christmas. Not too much Baileys now, especially not at work.